Feel confident, comfortable, and beautifully supported every single day with cotton panties designed especially for plus-size women who deserve softness that truly understands their body. Crafted to embrace natural curves with a gentle touch, these mid-waist briefs create a sense of ease that lasts from morning to night. Experience breathable fabric that cares for your skin while giving you the freedom to move effortlessly, helping you feel secure, relaxed, and quietly empowered in every moment you live. Number 1. Preventive Physiological Urinary Incontinence Underwear. Feel protected, calm, and confident during every moment with Preventive Physiological Urinary Incontinence Underwear created for women who value dignity and comfort. Designed with soft 100% cotton, this gentle wear supports sensitive skin while giving a reassuring sense of dryness throughout the day. The elegant lace touch adds a feeling of beauty without sacrificing security, helping you stay relaxed in public or private spaces. Menstrual days no longer need to bring stress or hesitation, as this thoughtful innerwear quietly supports your natural routine while allowing freedom of movement. Each detail is made to help you feel fresh, composed, and emotionally at ease, so you can focus on your daily life without distraction. Discover a reliable companion that understands your body's needs and helps you feel secure, confident, and truly cared for every single day. Number 2. 3PCs, Lot Cotton Panties for Women. Discover a new level of ease with 3 pieces cotton panties for women plus-size briefs designed to gently follow your natural shape. This mid-waist style brings a balanced feeling that supports daily movement while keeping you calm and confident from morning until night. Soft cotton touches the skin with care, helping you stay fresh and relaxed even during long busy hours. Created for women who want both comfort and quiet beauty, these solid color lingerie underpanties offer a smooth experience that feels light and natural. Every wear allows you to move freely without worry, giving a sense of security that stays with you throughout your routine. Suitable for body weight ranging from 40 kg to 100 kg, this thoughtful choice helps you feel accepted, comfortable, and emotionally satisfied in your own skin every single day. Number 3. 50PCs Travel Disposable Cotton Panties for Women Perfect. Feel secure wherever life takes you with 50 pieces travel disposable cotton panties for women created for moments when comfort matters most. Each individually packaged piece brings a clean, fresh feeling that helps you stay confident during journeys, busy schedules, or unexpected situations. Gentle cotton touches the skin softly, giving peace of mind during pregnancy or menstrual periods when extra care feels essential. Designed for convenience and emotional ease, this thoughtful choice allows you to move freely without worry about hygiene or laundry. Whether traveling far from home or managing daily routines, these panties provide a quiet sense of reassurance that supports your lifestyle. Every use helps you feel prepared, relaxed, and in control, making each day smoother and more comfortable while protecting your personal care with simplicity and trust. Number 4. 10PCS Women's Pure Cotton Panties Ribbed Briefs. Experience a gentle sense of comfort with 10 pieces women pure cotton panties ribbed briefs designed to move naturally with your body. This low-rise style creates a relaxed feeling that helps you stay confident throughout daily activities without distraction. Soft breathable fabric touches the skin with care, allowing you to feel fresh and calm even during long busy hours. Created for women who appreciate simple elegance, these solid color lingerie pieces bring a clean and stylish look that supports your personal expression. Every wear gives a smooth and easy experience, helping you feel secure and at ease in any moment. Whether at home or outside, this thoughtful choice adds quiet confidence to your routine, allowing you to focus on what truly matters while feeling comfortable, balanced, and emotionally satisfied in your own skin. Number 5. Underpants 5PCs Women's Disposable Panties. Feel supported during one of life's most delicate phases with briefs pure cotton childbirth maternity intimates created to bring calm and reassurance after delivery. This gentle undergarment is designed for postpartum moments when comfort becomes deeply important, helping you feel at ease while your body recovers naturally. Soft cotton touches sensitive skin with care, offering a soothing experience that helps you relax both physically and emotionally. These 5 pieces maternity underwear options provide a simple solution for daily needs, allowing you to focus on rest and bonding without unnecessary worry. Thoughtfully made for new mothers, each piece supports hygiene and peace of mind during this important time. Whether at home or in recovery spaces, this choice helps you feel secure, cared for, and confident as you move through each day with comfort and quiet strength.